Okay, a few months ago, we had removed a feature from the LMS that allowed the automatic enrollment from the course level. We have reintroduced that feature, but it looks a little bit different than it used to, so I want to walk you through it today. If you have a course that you want to update and create automatic enrollments for immediately after the update, what you'll do is click the Manage tab, go to your course catalog, either search for or scroll to the course that you're looking to update and click View. You'll then click Edit Course Offering and scroll down almost to the bottom of the page. You'll see Enrollment Settings. You want to click the plus sign next to Enrollment Settings. This is where you would set a specific due date for all enrollments for the course if you needed to, but we're not going to do that for this one. So we'll scroll down to the assigned user groups and select a group of user groups. You can select one or more. Same thing with the job titles. You'll select one or more job titles. And then you can add departments, divisions, and projects if necessary. Once you've done that, you'll click Update. And then you'll notice that there is a new button titled Enroll by Assignments. So when you click on the Enroll by Assignments, you'll see all of the assignments that we just set for user groups, job titles, and then if we had done departments, division, of projects, they would show here as well. This is where you will set your due date. The due date will always default to the org's preset due date, which is generally 30 days, but you can always click on the calendar icon and select any due date that you may want for this course. Once you've selected the due date, you can choose to send notifications to people if they have email addresses or not, and then you would just click the Enroll button. And then you'll get a successful enrollment message up at the top. It shows you how many new enrollments there were made and how many people may have already been enrolled into the course. Again, it's the same functionality as the old automatic enrollment. It's just in a new location now to prevent any accidental enrollments from being created. So I hope this helps you navigate the LMS a little bit more efficiently. As always, if you have any questions or want additional help walking through this process, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.